Hi! In front of me is Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. It should be in Google folder. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, you need to select Continue. Tap on Browse at the bottom in the middle after selecting Got it. And finally, tap on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!